Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to resize your TradingView chart. Have you ever found yourself struggling to optimize your workspace or make the most of the information displayed in your TradingView panels? Understanding how to efficiently resize your chart can help you customize your layout to perfectly suit your needs. So, let's dive right in. Getting started with resizing. Let's begin with how to drag and resize your chart. It's pretty straightforward. Simply move your cursor over the border of the chart. This could be any edge, or the lines between multiple panels if you have them. You'll see that the cursor changes, indicating you're ready to make adjustments. Click and hold the left mouse button, and while holding it down, drag the border in the direction you want. As you do this, you'll notice the chart's width or height changes. This method is incredibly intuitive and handy when you want to emphasize specific data or clear up some clutter. Resetting to default size. There will be times when you want to revert the chart back to its original layout. Fortunately, this is just as simple. Just double-click on any chart border. Yes, a quick double-click will snap the panel back to its default size. This nifty shortcut saves you time and makes it less daunting to experiment with layout changes. Adjusting multiple panels. If you have more than one panel on your screen, resizing them individually can be a bit tedious. This is where the Shift key comes in handy. By holding down the Shift key while dragging a specific border, you can resize adjacent panels simultaneously. This technique is particularly useful in a multi-panel setup, allowing you to maintain relative sizes while altering the overall look. Wrapping up. In summary, mastering these resizing techniques can make your TradingView experience smoother and more tailored to your preferences. Start with dragging individual borders for basic adjustments and use the double-click function for a quick reset when needed. Don't forget the Shift key trick for handling multiple panels with ease. With these strategies, you can ensure your trading environment is just how you like it, boosting both your efficiency and focus as you analyze the markets. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to resize your TradingView chart. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.